have to come, even though if you do not have any disease, you have to come visit this facility. From last 10 days my pain has reduced by 70%. Hi, my name is Abhishek. So I'm currently at Sri Sri Ayurveda Hospital at Kanakpura. I came here 10 days back for my treatment. I have basically L5S1 disc bulge since I'm riding two-wheeler. And I had this situation 4 months earlier where I had did certain physiotherapy, but the pain was not getting lesser. That's when one of my friends recommended Sri Sri Ayurveda Hospital, and I am here now from last 10 days taking the treatment. You have to come, even though if you do not have any disease, you have to come visit this facility just to enjoy the ambience here. It's quite well maintained with greenery and a lot good of people, and the people are taking care as well, from the administration team until the team nurses as well as doctors and the people who take care of us. Very well managed. They give timely food, and from last 10 days my pain has reduced by 70%, and further I have one month of medications which will also help me reduce my pain. So I'm forever grateful for this place to helping me to get this treated, and I would definitely recommend for any one of you having such problems to come here and then take your treatment. Thank you.